Health maintenance organizations. HMOs have become a popular choice. For many individuals and families seeking healthcare coverage, HMOs offer a number of benefits, but also come with their fair share of challenges. One of the main benefits of choosing an HMO is the lower out-of-pocket costs for healthcare services. HMOs typically require members to choose a primary care physician, who coordinates all of their healthcare needs. This can result in lower co-payments for doctor visits and prescription medications, making healthcare more affordable for many people. Another benefit of HMOs is the emphasis on preventive care. HMOs often prioritize preventive services like regular checkups, vaccinations, and screenings to help members stay healthy and catch potential health issues early. This focus on preventive care can lead to better overall health outcomes for members. However, there are also challenges associated with HMOs. One of the main challenges is the limited choice of healthcare providers. HMOs typically have a network of doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare professionals that members must use in order to have their care covered. This can be restrictive for some individuals who have specific healthcare needs or prefer to see a certain doctor or specialist. Another challenge is the need for referrals to see specialists. In an HMO, members generally need a referral from their PCP to see a specialist. This extra step in the process can lead to delays in receiving specialized care, which can be frustrating for some members. Despite these challenges, many people find that the benefits of HMOs outweigh the drawbacks. Lower costs, emphasis on preventive care, and coordinated care are all appealing aspects of HMO coverage. It's important for individuals to carefully consider their healthcare needs and preferences when choosing a health insurance plan, and weigh the benefits and challenges of HMOs against other options to make the best decision for their health and well-being.